What if the oil you put in your engine every few months isn't protecting it as much as you think? Here's the truth. Most drivers focus on the brand, but experienced mechanics focus on something much more important, the exact oil their engine was designed to use. And getting that wrong can slowly cost you thousands. SuperTech Full Synthetic is a great example. It proves you don't always need the most expensive bottle to get solid protection. If it meets your vehicle's required specification and you change it on time, it can be an excellent choice for everyday driving. But don't make the mistake of thinking full synthetic means you can ignore maintenance. Short trips, towing, traffic, extreme heat, and turbocharged engines can all put extra stress on oil. Then there's Kirkland's signature full synthetic. It has become popular because it offers strong value without the premium price. For a normal commuter or family SUV, it can make perfect sense when the correct viscosity and specification are used. But a heavily loaded truck and a lightly driven sedan don't put the same demands on their oil. That's why mechanics match the product to the application instead of simply grabbing the cheapest bottle. Chevron Havoline is another oil that doesn't always get the attention it deserves. It may not dominate advertisements, but dependable lubrication, cold start performance, and engine cleanliness are what actually matter. The biggest drawback is availability. You may find major brands almost everywhere, while finding the exact Havoline formula you need can sometimes be harder. And then things get interesting when we talk about higher mileage engines. Valvoline Restore and Protect is designed with deposit control in mind, making it appealing for engines that have accumulated years of normal use. Keeping oil passages and internal components cleaner can be valuable as an engine ages. But don't believe anyone who says motor oil can repair mechanical damage. It can't fix worn bearings, damaged piston rings, or a failing timing component. Oil protects healthy parts, it doesn't rebuild broken ones. Castrol Edge is another brand mechanics have trusted for years. It offers a wide range of formulations and strong manufacturer approvals, making it useful across many different vehicles. But here's where drivers often waste money. They assume the most expensive synthetic must provide dramatically better protection. Not necessarily. If a less expensive oil meets the exact same requirement and you change it at the proper interval, your engine may never know the difference. You're paying for the correct protection, not the fanciest label. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is another premium option with a strong reputation for engine cleanliness and protection. It can be especially attractive for demanding applications, including many turbocharged engines when the required specification is met. But once again, premium doesn't mean universal. A basic commuter may not need the additional capability, while a heavily worked engine may benefit from choosing a higher performance formulation. Liqui Moly is particularly interesting for European vehicle owners. BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Porsche, and other manufacturers can require very specific oil approvals. In those vehicles, the approval printed on the bottle can matter far more than the brand name itself. And this is something every driver should remember. Expensive oil isn't automatically better if it doesn't meet your engine's requirements. Mobil 1 is one of the most recognizable names in motor oil, and for good reason. It has decades of real-world use and a huge range of formulations for different engines and driving conditions. But even premium synthetic oil has limits. Fuel dilution, moisture contamination, short trips, and extreme temperatures can still degrade it. The most expensive oil in the store cannot compensate for neglected maintenance. Then there's AMSOIL Signature Series, which has earned a strong reputation among drivers who tow, travel long distances, or operate their engines under demanding conditions. Its durability and oxidation resistance make it appealing for serious use. But don't automatically assume extended drain capability means you should double your oil change interval. Your actual driving conditions determine how quickly oil ages. A vehicle making constant 5-minute trips can stress its oil very differently from one cruising hundreds of highway miles. Valvoline Full Synthetic is another strong all-around choice because it balances protection, availability, and price. But here's the mistake you absolutely need to avoid. Don't buy an oil simply because the label says full synthetic. Check the viscosity. Check the required API rating. Check ILSAC DXOs or the manufacturer's specific approval when required. Two oils can both be full synthetic and still be designed for completely different engines. And that brings us to the biggest lesson mechanics learn after years of engine repairs. There is no single motor oil brand that's number one for every vehicle. The best oil is the one that matches your engine. Start with the owner's manual, find the correct viscosity, verify the required specification. Then think about how you actually drive. Do you tow, make mostly short trips, drive in extreme heat, own a turbocharged engine, spend hours sitting in traffic? Those details matter. Experienced mechanics don't walk into a store asking, "What's the best oil?" They ask, "What does this engine need?" That question can save you a fortune over the life of your vehicle. And here's the part that matters most. Changing the correct oil on time is often more important than obsessing over which premium brand sits at the top of the shelf. A properly specified oil changed consistently can help an engine reach extremely high mileage, but even the best synthetic in the world can't save an engine that's constantly neglected. So before your next oil change, don't just grab the bottle with the biggest name. Check your owner's manual, verify the viscosity and approval, and choose a reputable oil that fits your engine and your driving conditions. And now I want to know what you're using. Tell me your vehicle, engine, oil brand, viscosity, and how often you change it. Your experience could help another driver avoid an expensive mistake. And if you want more mechanic-level car advice that can save you money and keep your vehicle running longer, stay tuned, because the next mistake could be costing drivers thousands without them even realizing it.